Good morning from Marseille. It is August 25th, about 4:45 in the morning. We're going from our hotel across the street to the train station / bus station, where I'll take the airport shuttle from the bus station to the airport. We have a flight arriving in Malaga around 11 in the morning, and we take a bus from Malaga Airport to the Granada bus station, short bus, and then walk up to our hostel. So quite the travel day.
And it's, I don't even know what time.
I already said what time it was.
Oh,
But yeah,
it's early.
let's do it.
We purchased bus tickets from this counter. Google Maps didn't show any information for this bus route to the airport. We learned about these tickets from our hotel. Would definitely recommend purchasing tickets at the bus station. They were about $11 each, one way to the airport. Access to the Priority Pass lounge at Marseille Airport was a bit different than others. When you arrive, head to Terminal 1 Hall A at arrivals and head towards the information desk. From there, present your Priority Pass card and you'll be granted a ticket to get into the lounge. I also got a ticket for Jenny as she was my guest.
We successfully made it to the Marseille Airport. However, a recurring theme for us is we're too early, so our check-in desks aren't open, just like in New York. And now we'll just wait to check in and then head to the lounge.
Hopefully they open soon.
True that. We think we've made it to the lounge. I think we scanned these little cards.
It's little, but it's nice.
Yeah, it's got food and espresso. It's open air.
You get to peek at people through these little airplane windows. Except there's nobody here at... Oh, it's 7 now. Alright, let's get some food.
Breakfast time. So we got some good stuff, mainly cold stuff. The lady who runs this place was very nice, asking about our camera and what we're doing. So that was cool. What did you get, Jenny?
I got a lot, actually. I don't know why I'm so hungry, because we haven't been eating a lot for breakfast, but have at it. I made a cappuccino with the big fancy Nespresso machine. Our eyes light up whenever we see that. And I got greens. This is my veggies for the morning. A massive croissant the size of my head, and a pain au chocolat, I think cheese, some ham, chorizo. Gonna enjoy. And the best part is our gate is about 2 steps that way, and we don't board for quite some time, so we're hanging. I wish you could smell how stinky this cheese is, but it tastes really good. How's your breakfast?
Time to head to the gate.
Time to go straight.
Jenny's hip. passport on the hip.
It's just easier.
How was
Thanks,
that
Mom.
walk to the gate?
I don't even think it took 30 seconds.
10 seconds. And there's no one here, and they yelled at us. Now the paper yelled at us to get here 40 minutes early. Or else.
Or else they leave us here.
Here we go. Made it on. Next to Jenny. Hi, Jenny.
Hi.
It's closed.
Safety is of utmost
Light flight
importance
today,
to
not
us.
too many
So
people.
even if you are a frequent flyer, we ask you to
About halfway into the flight, Jenny had a quick nap, stayed up, should be arriving in about 45-50 minutes, and then lunch, and another bus, and another bus. Made it to Malaga.
Logan just went sprinting for our bag before it went back in. It was a very well executed run.
We got it. So now we're gonna hang out for a while until our bus at 1:30. And we're outside of the baggage claim. Jenny's under a nice shaded palm. Found our bus stop. So we're taking the Alsa bus, which is a direct bus from Malaga Airport to the Granada bus station. We booked those last night, so our bus doesn't leave for another hour and a half or so. So hopefully all things go smooth.
We might get to try out our backpack bag thing today. We'll see.
That we will.
But we're in Malaga.
We're in Malaga. It feels nice. Weather's nice. We're under some shade. Keep you updated. Made it on the Alsa bus. Very nice.
Had a yummy lunch right outside the arrivals. Little tapas, shade. Got to sit outside. It's a really nice bus. And it was on time. So we're ready.
So we made it. Now we're on the bus 33.
Headed to our hostel. It was waiting here when we came out of the bus station. That was convenient.
We'll ride this for about 10 minutes, get off at the cathedral stop, and then walk about 10 minutes up. So we're excited.
The bus from the airport was great. It took about 2 hours. I had a lovely nap, which I really needed, and it was easy.
Recommend also to get to and from Malaga Airport and Granada. Jenny's now converting our bag to a backpack. I think she remembers how to do it. Good progress so far.
Yeah, that wasn't so bad. Not bad.
Thumbs up.
These are beautiful.
Be nice.
It'll be worth the hike.
Okay, so we made it to the hostel. Hostel's great. Everybody's really nice. Thank you, Casey, for the recommendation.
Shout out Casey Plasker.
Where are we? Los Diamantes. So thank you, Casey. Perfect beers after a long travel day. Got some tapas. We're gonna keep eating and drinking and enjoying ourselves. So cheers.
Sangria. And I just ordered my first whole meal in Spanish. I got dos sangrias y mitad calamares y mitad mejillones.
Next up is mussels. And after that is some fried calamari. I think we enjoyed our tapas. Very good. Just finished up tapas. Absolutely delicious. Thanks Casey Plasker again. And now we're just gonna wander around because it's pretty in the shade.
One of the most decadent temples of the Spanish Renaissance, I think. Has a lot of symbols. I don't know.
It's the Cathedral of Granada. Time for us to retrace our steps without a whole bunch of luggage. I think we can make it.
We only looked at our feet, so time to look up. English.
This is the Arabic market section. Either way, Jenny. And that's our walk back.
I'll give you a quick little tour of our hostel room. We have a 4-bed suite with air conditioning, huge plus. We have these bunk beds.
This is us.
This is the bathroom, which ensuite bathroom in the hostel is a pretty big deal. So it's got a lot of room, shower, which we're gonna utilize any second. And that's it. It's great.